Yo, DJ Bug Boy in the house. Oh yeah. Can you check it? Oh yeah. Calculus, oh calculus. The equations on the board, it has me really bored. Wheat has me crunching equations. I'm sitting next to all these Asians. Solve for X, she says, but all I can think about is extramarital sex. She shouts the names that are so wacko. Some even rival Wacko Jacko. Bugger! Oh, bugger boy! Yeah, yeah! Bugger boy! You come into silence with a mask over your face. You spray the bad guys with calculus mace. You come to class with the calculator in the back pocket, but the weakness hits you in the eye socket. You bloody idiot! Bugger! Oh, bugger boy! Yeah, yeah! Bugger boy!
Ja, my name is Professor Steven Stucker Abendhagen Schneifenstark. Today I'm going to talk about sound waves, ja. As you can see by the equation, F equals nu over lambda. These are Greek letters. Ja, ich bin Stabenstügen. Oh, excuse me, I talk German sometimes. F equals frequency, nu equals speed, and lambda equals wavelength. Isn't that great? Schieflen Hagen Abendstag Schleifenstug. Anyway, do you like bratwurst? So do I. Okay, well here is a sound wave problem for you. The length of a string between its two fixed ends is 0.628 meters. And the string mass is 0.28 grams. The string is under tension of 226 newtons. Find the velocity of the wave on the string. Now to figure out this complicated problem, we will need to use the equation V equals radical F over NL, which goes like this.